Richard J believes that every Australian deserves clean clothes to wear. We know what a difference something simple like clean washing makes to a person's confidence and self-esteem. That's why Richard J is a founding supporter of Orange Sky Australia, the world's first free mobile laundry in a van. We support the operation by keeping Orange Sky's laundry equipment in good working order. Spare parts are kept at the ready, and when breakdowns happen, we act quickly to get the vans back on the road. This is important because communities have come to rely on Orange Sky as a source of comfort and compassion.
Our company got involved with Orange Sky Laundry more than 4 years ago when Nick and Lucas, two young 20-year-old guys, came into our business and asked us if we'd contemplate loaning them or giving them some machinery to put in their van that they already had.
And we told this massive company, Richard J, about our little dream. We wanted to build a free mobile laundry service for the homeless. Eventually we left that meeting, we had 2 washers, 2 dryers secured to put in our first van suds in for us to turn our dream into reality and start hitting the streets and making an impact in the Brisbane community.
Orange Sky now has vans all around Australia, and every week these vans wash and dry over 8.5 tonne of free laundry, and these machines are critical to not letting our friends down. Without having the support of Richard J, we would let our friends down.
Each van provides clean clothes, showers and conversation for people experiencing homelessness or communities dealing with a natural disaster.
It's never happened in the world before. No one's put machinery in the back of a van and driven it round and round and plugged it into water and power and laundered and then driven somewhere else. So we needed to know that machinery was capable of being moved from place to place. So we just did pilot testing and it worked.
At the time of making this video, they have provided a phenomenal 90,641 loads of washing and counting. If you would like to learn more about the Richard J and Orange Sky collaboration, visit our website.